All right, so this is the knee brace unboxing, I guess you could say, kind of unboxing. Special thanks to the company for sending this one to me so I could create a video for you guys. And Perfect Health, Keep Fun, expert in the field of knee protection. Here's to the corporate philosophy of customer focus and designs and manufactures high quality products based on the real needs of customers. All right, so let's unbag it, I guess. Okie dokie, this is like your, look at that. So it's kind of like a user's guide. So this is like a little user's guide. Very nice. Oh yeah, looks like a sleeve that your knee goes in. And then, oh wow, this is very padded. I've never had one of these. Luckily, never had a broken bone. So now this is the medium size, but you know, with that Velcro, it could almost fit. It could fit a lot of people, I feel. You definitely have to get this based on what you believe your needs are, but the middle of this is very, very padded. It's all soft. This whole thing feels very, very soft. And from the front, this is kind of what you would see, because you would cross these around. So it would kind of go on your knee, something like this. This is very nice. I think the quality feels amazing. As I've said, I've never had a broken bone, but the few times that I ever held something like this, it did not feel like this one does. This feels like a really good, strong, quality knee brace that would actually do something for you. They do have multiple sizes. I like this blue color as well myself, but everything you need to protect your knee. So again, special thanks to the company for sending this one to me. That is the knee brace unboxing, or unbagging, either way.